How to turn on or turn off Sync Safari to iCloud on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, from the main settings page, we scroll down, then tap on iCloud, and then tap on the CO button. Then in here, we go down and tap on the Safari toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here, if I tap on it to turn it off, and then I say, what would you like to do with the previously synced iCloud Safari data on your iPhone? So here we can choose to keep on my iPhone or delete from my iPhone. So I'm going to choose keep on my iPhone. And that's it. Now sync is turned off for Safari, or you can tap on the toggle button to turn on back sync. When you turn on sync, you can choose to match the data from your local Safari and iCloud, or you can cancel. So I would choose match. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.